probably think there's still something that you need before you can take YouTube seriously. A better camera, a better script, or more knowledge, or perhaps you just need to feel more ready. I spent too much time watching YouTube tutorials because deep down I never felt good enough to actually make YouTube videos. I thought that if I watched more videos, I would feel more capable and confident so that I actually could post consistently. So after forcing myself to record videos every single day for 30 days, I had the process completely wrong. You can't even imagine. I put the cart before the horse because most of the things that I thought I needed before recording the videos were things that only could be built by making those videos. And unfortunately, starting YouTube is really that simple. The first thing I had backwards was actually where confidence comes from. How can you feel ready before you have made enough videos? Well, most people put the cart before the horse. They expect that something will happen, but usually it will not, because the horse actually pushes the cart forward. Now, you might expect that you need to be 10 steps ahead. You look up to all the creators that have made their 10,000 video rep, but you're still at your 10th or 15th, and you still struggle to put yourself out there to record videos consistently because you don't feel really good in your own skin looking back at your videos. You might not like how you sound, how you look, how your background is. And one way to improve that drastically is to build reps. And you do that with video reps. And confidence only comes through many video reps, putting yourself out there and realizing that you are not where the successful creators are at yet, but you will be. So I want you to ask yourself, what do you still believe that you need before you can actually start taking YouTube seriously? But knowing that you're capable won't instantaneously make that you want to wake up to make videos. What if you don't feel motivated to create videos? Over the last 30 days, I've created videos every single day, and I will be honest with you, I didn't feel motivated most of those days. I just wanted to quit. I felt like I forced myself to put in the reps to record because there was something else pushing me eventually. But the first 15 videos that I made, such a struggle. I was super motivated in the beginning, but that only pushed me so far. Although I'm inviting the feelings of motivation. It feels good when you have it, so cherish it. But it shouldn't be the thing that actually moves you. Once you move forward, eventually you will hit a threshold where you basically feel pulled despite having those emotions of I don't want to do this. When you're building the video reps, you're building the consistency. And consistency means you're making the video anyway, because you are building the proof that you are able to do this. And when your body and mind knows that you are still showing up despite those emotions arising, the universe, God, whatsoever, will push you towards your goal. And eventually you will feel like a creator, like a business owner, showing up consistently. So this is a skill that can be built. Exactly like going to the gym, you won't be huge in one day. It takes time. But throughout this journey, you will feel more like the type of person who shows up, and that will be more fun throughout the process, as long as you give yourself permission to not quit. And even if you don't wait for motivation to hit, consistency almost feels impossible because every video feels like a huge production. I want you to remember that you can't improve a video that you never publish. When I started this challenge, I knew that I couldn't think a lot about creating videos. Tomorrow's video was waiting for me to finish this video today. This time constraint made me to just push myself to the brim, to go outside my comfort zone, to trust the process even if I didn't feel like it. Just finish this one and then improve for the next one. And I know that's easier said than done. And that's why I'm doing this, to show you exactly if I can do this, so can you. And I used to be a super shy introvert. And doing videos is not a natural thing to do. But if you keep at it, you will improve drastically. And I promise you that. So think about every single video as a rep that you do. You can improve every single time. And if you watch this series I've done, you can see that every video is slightly improved based on the data from the video before. So I want to give you a challenge. I want you to plan, record, edit and publish all in one day. Don't overthink this process. I know it feels so massive to do because you have been overthinking every single one and you feel, Max, this time I don't think it will work. It will. If I can, so can you, my friend. So if you feel that planning is the hardest part for you and it makes you feel stuck all the time, I think I have something that will make everything easier for you. I have a free template called the skeleton script where I basically plan out my videos and script out without writing out every single sentence. Basically, you write out the hook, and you have talking points so that you are able to speak freely from your heart. And it's exactly what I do with every single video right now, and it helps me to free flow everything except the hook. This makes everything sound like me instead of AI generated. So if you want to join the day one YouTube challenge, make sure to download the template down below. It's completely for free. So I want you to publish one video today. I want you to do that before you go to bed tonight. But if you're still struggling with showing up on camera, I want you to watch this video next.